Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel today. Good to see you again, and I wanted to just spend some time reflecting, feeling grateful, and thanking you all for supporting the channel over the last 18 months, I think it is. I counted since I started this in around April 2023. What a journey we've been on together. All of my viewers, all of my subscribers, now 10,000 subscribers, and that's what this is all about. Reaching that 10,000 subscriber milestone was the big first goal that I had in mind when I set this channel up, and I can't believe how quickly we've done that in the time that we've had together. We've grown the channel so much in that time. We've built up a regular audience, some regular commenters, and we've introduced memberships as well. So we've got just over 70 members on the channel now at various different levels. You can join the channel as a member if you want to as well, from just 99 pence a month. That gets you all of the members' videos as well, and there are regular members' videos coming thick and fast now. I'm increasing that membership video cadence and trying to increase the value. There are other membership levels available too. I'm perhaps looking to tweak them in the coming months. I'm thinking maybe the middle membership packages are not that great value as compared to maybe the bottom one and the top one, but we'll see. I did try to put in a members only Discord a few months ago, and that's never really taken off. I think probably if I'm thinking about it, it's probably because I don't really get Discord as much as I should, perhaps, and don't quite know how to get the most value out of it. I've always seen Discord more as a gaming thing, and anyone who knows me knows that I ain't a gamer. I love my movies, I love my music, but I've never really played games and never will. So I might be wrong on that. Maybe it's not just for gamers. Correct me if I'm wrong. Always happy to be corrected. Always happy to learn new things. And that's what this channel is all about. Learning new things together, learning from each other and growing. The top level of membership, I've got to thank my principal consultant members, of which at the moment there are 5. There have been 1 or 2 others who have joined and dipped in and out as they've needed it. But that level of membership, I never thought anyone would sign up for that. And that gets you a one-to-one of 30 minutes with me each month. And I've enjoyed so much the conversations I've had with all of you who've signed up for that principal consultant membership package. And that time is your time, and you've all used it to the max, I have to say. We've discussed some different things. We've discussed career aspirations. We've discussed getting involved in the community, how to become an MVP, all sorts of different things. And I absolutely love it. So if you are a principal consultant, I always say to you that don't ever feel any pressure to keep on renewing that month to month. And it's an expensive package, £22.99 a month. And I'm just blown away that one person signed up for it, let alone the 5 or 6 or 7 that I've had in the time we've been doing memberships. What do I hope for the channel going forward? Well, I want to continue to grow it and build it and reach a wider audience still. Now that we're on, I'm like Alexander Hamilton. If you've ever seen the musical Hamilton, I'm just like that. I'm never satisfied. I always hit a goal. I'm looking to the next one straight away. So what's the next big thing? Probably 20,000. I want to get to 100,000, and I think that's an achievable goal. I don't know how quickly we can get there. It's probably going to take a good few years, but mark my words, I'm going to get there, and I'm going to do it with your help and your support. And most importantly, I do want to emphasize, as I always do, couldn't do this channel without you and your support. And I love your comments. I love your feedback. Please leave me comments in the comment section of each video. Do give me a like, a thumbs up if you do enjoy the content and you found it useful. That helps me so much to grow and reach that wider audience. Do leave me your comments and thoughts in the community section as well. There's, along the top of the channel, you'll see the playlist, the videos, the community tab. It's one of those things in YouTube that is not very well known of. So I try and post things there, and that can be links to new videos. It can be photos, it can be polls, it can be any sort. And I'm going to try and get even more content in there on a regular basis, and some members only stuff as well, which I should be doing more of also. So I want to hear your ideas. I want to hear what you think of what we've done so far, what we can do to grow together and improve together. And I do have to be mindful sometimes that I have a full-time job as well and a very stressful home life, as all of you know. Some of you might have seen my LinkedIn post, and I beat myself up sometimes. I always feel like I could be doing more, especially when I get comments, well-meaning comments from people saying, "Oh, it would be nice to see this and that as well." And I think to myself, "Oh, damn! Why didn't I think of that? I should have included that in the video." But I'm only one guy at the end of the day, I suppose, and I'm doing my best. I want to try and help, and hopefully I'm doing that in some way, shape, or form. And if you do suggest something to me that I haven't thought of, I'll always try and find a way to include that at the earliest opportunity. I can't always guarantee that I will, and I can't always guarantee that I will remember. So if it's something you really want to see, just give me another nudge on it over LinkedIn or in the comments or wherever, and as long as you ask me nicely, there's a very good chance that I'm going to do it. What else is going on as we hit 10,000 subscribers? I am very excited to learn all about Copilot Wave 2 or Phase 2. It's Wave 2, I think it's called. I have to admit that as a Microsoft MVP, we very likely got some early access to that. I've had no time at all to join any of the briefings or whatnot that we may or may not have had. I've been so busy lately, and I haven't even caught the announcement yet on Wave 2 from Microsoft last night. I've seen some wonderful people in the community, other MVPs posting about it on LinkedIn so far. I've even shared some of it around, but I've not even looked at it yet, so I don't really know what's going on. I'm going to get clued up on what it's all about and get my thoughts on it, and you can be sure I'll be sharing my thoughts on that very soon and how it impacts the world of security, which at the end of the day, we're a Microsoft 365 channel, but it's a very strong focus on security, compliance, and identity. And I think that's going to continue going forward. Okay, well, I guess that'll do nicely for now. I'm going to finish up by saying thank you once again. Please keep supporting me. Please keep suggesting things to me. Please hit that like button. Please hit subscribe if you're watching this and you've not done so. Hey, we've done 10,000. We can do another 10,000. Let's get us to 20, eh? Thank you so much. Take care of yourselves. Travel well. See you soon. Bye-bye.